Hello, this is Richard from Powerbikes, and here I'm showing you the Batribike Sigma. This is an absolutely fantastic little folding bike, available in three colours, white, brown and green. Now as you can see here, this has an incredibly low step through design. A lot of thought has gone into the process of building this bike. It comes as standard with Shimano Nexus hub gears. There's a choice of battery options available for this. Really comfortable seat. Absolutely ideal for anyone who's short on space, wants something to pop in the back of a caravan, or of course take on a train. Perfect for commuting there. As you can see there, it's got integrated lights front and rear. And being battery bike, this has the choice of different displays. This one has the LED display, but there is also available a mini LCD and a centre LCD display. If you fancy trying this little bike out, come see us up at Powerbikes in Whitehaven.